Dry ginger coffee and jaggery powder are the two things that I genuinely believe every household needs to have because I used to make a quick medicinal drink with both of these ingredients. Whenever someone in my family had a minor cough or fever, I use it. I can assure you that it would go away in 1 or 2 days if we consistently use it at regular intervals. And believe me, market available cough syrups are really dangerous and it's extremely simple to make. Simply boil some water and add both of these powders as per your taste buds. I feel that it's really impractical to make this powder at home, especially for small working family. If we didn't give proper attention to the proportion of spices, it may really alter its taste. So this is safe and better option. At least it's better for our local economy to flourish.